which took place in 2004. In the space of only 3 days, despite the presence of the UNMIK and KFOR, and before the eyes of 38,000 soldiers and 8,000 police officers, 10 Serbs were killed. 38 churches and monasteries, 935 Serbian homes, public institutions, schools, post offices, healthcare facilities were...
Proterano je 4012 Srba iz 6 gradova i 9 sela. Posle 1999. godine ovo je bio drugi veliki progon Srba sa Kosova i Metohije. Pred očima čitavog sveta naš narod preživljavao je nezapamćen teror u 21. veku.
4,012 Serbs were banished from 6 cities and 9 villages. Following the year of 1999, this is the second great persecution of Serbs in Kosovo and Metohija. The whole world witnessed the unprecedented terror our people suffered in the 21st century.
Na današnji dan gorela je